Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen. Today I'll be teaching you a simple strategy where you can use an Excel sheet to generate buy sell levels and trade based on the levels generated by the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet which I have created. So the values we must enter in the Excel sheet are previous day closing, current day opening, and high of first 15 minutes candle, low of first 15 minutes candle of the present day. This is first present days, first 15 minutes high, first 15 minutes low, and this is previous day closing, current day opening. So let me quickly jump into the strategy and show you how to mark the levels and how to enter the values also. So if we this is a live market, so if you wanted to trade on 24th, we have to see what is the closing price of previous day, that is 21st closing. So what was the see we have to switch to 15 minutes time frame and all the values to be entered on a basis of 15 minutes candle only. Make sure that you are using 15 minutes candle before entering the values to the Excel sheet. So what is the closing? 46 169, right? Let me enter 169. And today's opening is 46099. I think guys, you guys can see what is open high, low, close from the which is mentioned over here. So once you keep the mouse for the particular candle, it will show all the values automatically. So today's opening price we need is 46099. So once we enter this value, we will get an answer. So answer is nothing but previous day closing and current day opening. We have to subtract it. We have to subtract previous day closing and current day opening. And high of first 15 minutes candle. What is the high of first 15 minutes candle of today's first 15 minutes candle? The high was 46 175, right? 46, 175. And what is the low? Low is 46017, right? So we'll get buy sell signal. Buy sell is nothing but the 70 rupees, the 70 points will be added for the high and subtracted for the low. For example, the 46175 plus 70 is 46245. That is our buy. For example, 46017 minus 70. That is 45947. That is our sell. So this is the strategy. So or this is the calculation behind the Excel sheet. So don't get confused. Okay. So I'll draw buy sell levels. I'll draw a horizontal line in the chart for a better clarity. And let me make this as a green color. This is buy level and this is sell level. What is the value we got? 46 to 45. Let me enter 46 to 45. See, we have entered 46 to 45. And sell is 45 947. 45 947. Yeah, this is the buy sell. Once the green color line is broke, we'll go for call option. Once the red color line is broke, we will go for put option. Okay, this is a live market. I think we can't wait until the levels are broken. So let me give an example of previous day. That is 21st. What happened? What was the buy sell levels generated? What happened? Let's check it out. Okay. So to check 21st buy sell level, we need previous day closing. That is 20th day closing. So what was the closing of 20th? That is 46151. Enter 46151. Right? Yeah. And present day opening. Opening was 46075. And what was the high? High is 46360. And low is 46020. 460. Yeah. We got uh, value as 46436. 46436 for buy, and for sell 45944. So this was the buy and sell generated for 21st. But anyhow, it didn't cross the levels, and also the market was completely sideways. If you would have entered in a trade, also it would be ending in making losses only. So because this is a complete range bound market on 21st, that is Friday. So let's check what was the result on Thursday. To check Thursday's result, we need previous day's closing. That is Wednesday, 19th day closing. What was the closing price? The closing price was 45738. And what was the opening price? The opening price of 20th was 45774. Okay. So once this we get a negative value over here, make sure that your changing negative value to positive, that is from minus to plus. So you don't need to do anything, type manually as 36 and enter it, that's all. Just type manually. Once you get the negative value, just type 36. So what is the high generated? 45774. What is the low? Low was 45668. What are the values we got for buy? 45810. And what is the cell level? 45632. See, see guys, once we got a breakout and there was a closing above the green line. So make sure you take trades only after the candle closes above the levels. That is above green level or closes below red level. Once it closes above the green level, we are going to take call option. Once it closes below red level, we are going to short the market. That is, we are going to take a put option. See, once the levels was closed above the once the candles was closed above the levels, we almost got around 340 points, and that was a expiry day. So I hope this would have been a jackpot trade. Okay, so this was also a complete sideways days when this was on 19th. So let's check the values of 19th also, and 19th was also sideways, and 18th was also sideways. This was completely trapped candle. So everyone would have taken the stop loss over here. So okay, let it be. Let's check what is the result on 19th. To check 19th result, we need 18 days closing. So what is the closing? 45461. 45461. Okay. And what is the opening of the current day? It is 45650. Okay. So guys, there is one more condition over here. Whenever we get a values above 120 in Bank Nifty, we are not going to trade. Either it's plus or minus 120. Uh, I mean, it's either plus or minus 120. Above 120, we are not going to trade. The values must be below 120 points only. So we got a value of 189 points, and this is not a valid trade. So there is no buy sell over here. Okay. So we are going to avoid this day. Anyhow, it was a sideways market only. Okay, let's check what was the delete this. Okay, let's check 18th day results. To check on 18th, we need a previous day closing, that is 17th. What was the closing? The closing was 45557, and current day opening was 45750. See, we got above 120 points, so this is also not a valid trade. Okay, you're not going to trade on those days. Let me put this horizontal line below. Okay, let's check 17th day's result. 17th day's result. So for that we need previous day's closing. The closing was 44950 and opening was 44950 and the open was 44960. Right, we got 10 minus 10, we have to make it positive 10 plus 10. Just enter manually 10, that's all, nothing you need to do. And what was the high? The high was 45006. And what was the low? 44829. The levels we got is 45016 for buy. For sell is 44819. See, we got a breakout down, but the closing was not done below the red horizontal line. That is, the candle did not close below the level, so it just reversed and closed up only. So there was completely sideways. And after that, we got a breakout upside, and the candle was closed above the green line. Once the closing was done, we almost got a 500 points rally. 500 points rally in Bank Nifty. So by using this strategy, you can simply avoid sideways days and make use of trending market. And making money will be very easy by following this strategy. This is simple calculation anyone can do. So let me give a quick example of another sideways days and trending day. And let's say, okay. See, this is completely sideways day, and let me give an example of this. So, to trade on this particular day, we need a previous day's closing. What was the previous day's closing? Closing was 45375. 4, 5. And what is the current day open? 45299. And what is the high and low? Let's mark the high and low. Um, 45299 opening. Yeah, this is the particular day on 5th. Yeah, sorry. What was the high? 45427. And what is the low? 45209. What are the values we got? 45503. What is the sell value we got? 45133. See, the market did not come to the levels. So, and also it was completely sideways there, and we were safe because we didn't trade that day. If you have traded also, you would be ended up in making losses only. So this was a decent up move. So let's see what are the levels. To check on fourth levels, we need previous day closing. Previous day closing is 45286 and current day opening is 45366. And see, minus value must be changed to positive. And what was the high? 45430. And what is the low? 45290. And the value we got is 45510. And 45210. So we got a first put option, and it was a small stop loss for us. And also we got a buy entry. The candle was closed above the green line, and we got a very good up move. And we would have managed to make some scalping trade in this. So basically, yeah, this is a pretty good up move. Let's check what are the values of this. Previous day closing is 43695. Current day opening is 43769. What is the high? 43782. What is the low? 43719. And what are the levels we got? The level was 43858. And sell level is 43645. See guys, once the candle was closed above, we have got a good trade. It's almost 250 plus points. So this is how you can make use of the strategy, guys. Make sure you backtest before applying it on the live market, and I'll provide an Excel sheet in the link below. So make sure you subscribe the channel, and